Model Borgy Manotoc is one of the most eligible bachelors around, not only because of his chiseled features and gorgeous body. He is the grandson of the late Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos, the son of Ilocos Norte Representative Imee Marcos, and sportsman Tommy Manotoc. He was born in April 9, 1983 in Honolulu, and being a descendant of one of the country's most powerful political dynasties has made him even more of a celebrity than he already is. This beautiful man is thoroughly educated. He studied in London as a child and then went to the Ateneo and International School when his family moved back to the Philippines. He started his college education in San Diego, California, and then moved to New York to study advertising and public relations. In his hectic, globe-trotting schedule, he somehow found a way to establish himself as one of the country's most sought-after models. His lean, muscular body has become a staple in billboard and magazines, as well as in fashion runways. Despite the weighty family name, Borgy has always been his own man. He is very different from the public's perception of how a Marcos should act. He can live in the lush opulence that this family is used to, but by himself in New York, he takes the subway or goes around by foot, just like any other person in the huge city. Given Borgy's looks and celebrities, it's no wonder that he got an impressive list of glamorous girlfriends. He got into a relationship with MTV VJ Sarah Meyer, and when they broke up, he hooked up with fashion model Ornusa Cadmus. The model once got himself into the middle of a big controversy when he guested in DJ Mo Twister's radio show. When the notorious DJ asked him to spill names of some of the celebrities he slept with, Borgy mentioned singer-actress Vina Morales. This led to an alleged confrontation with Vina, where she reportedly slapped him. Even as a young boy, Fernando Martin Borgy Marcos Manotoc was obsessed with clothes and shoes. His childhood years living in exile exposed him to different types of people when he noticed that what people wore often dictated how they felt. The effect dominoed, and the more he traveled, the more aware he became of the influence of style and aesthetics on culture. By the time he came back to the Philippines, he knew he wanted to get into the retail industry. He wanted to choose products that would help people express themselves by the way they dressed. Meanwhile, Borgy is expanding his vision. His venture into the retail scene showed him that Filipino consumers' form of self-expression is still not represented in their choice of clothes. He wants to be part of that creative process. His desire to get involved encouraged him to learn more about what goods go through from design to production. Here, Borgy reflects on believing in change, making people happy, and recovering from failure. My personal style signifier is my variety. I am a very confused person sometimes. I have become a lot more focused over the years, but there are mornings I wake up and feel very differently from the day before. So that really reflects in my clothes. Sometimes I like wearing colors. Sometimes I don't like wearing colors. I can't stand skinny jeans, and sometimes I can only wear skinny jeans, living and breathing by my mood. I get inspired to make things better and believe in change. I think some people get a bit comfortable in their security bubble, community, and lifestyle, and they don't realize that things can actually get better. I work best at night. I have become a bit nocturnal, and being a business owner, fortunately, I get to create my own schedule. It has become a habit. I also have things to do at night when it comes to the time difference with the US, but generally a lot of my creativity and ideas come to me during those evening hours. Borgy Manotoc has been living his life the way he wants it to be. Though he is the grandson of the country's former president Ferdinand Marcos and the son of politician Imee Marcos with sportsman Tommy Manotoc, the hunk steers clear of politics. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who is Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.